So you have a long list of goals planned out for the years to come, very exciting ones. You often find yourself ruminating on how much satisfaction you would have with all these goals accomplished. They're all you think about, and your entire future revolves around their completion. But when you think of the fund involved, you shrink back in fear because deep within you, you don't believe you'd ever have the funds to push these dreams to reality because, well, your 9-to-5 job can never earn you enough, even in the next 5 years. Well, we have a lasting solution to your fears: investment, the only escape route from your present misery. How to start? Don't worry, we've got you. And just in case you're thinking, I'll start this investment thing sometime in the future, I don't really think I'm in a good place to begin now, you are so wrong. If you keep pushing it, chances are that you never really get into it, and maybe you die a miserable person after you hit 80 with no goals accomplished. Oops, that was harsh, but we all need a wake-up call sometimes, and we're more than glad to be that voice for you. The best time to start investing was yesterday, and the second best is right now. So stop with the procrastination already. Start investing now. It's never too late. Now that we've let that sink in, let's talk about some tips to get you started. Ready? A good place to start is to invest $5 to $150 per month to low-cost index funds, or ETFs. This can generate you some good profits in the long term. Once you've gathered some wealth, don't stop. Keep going. Investing is a long-term, continuous project. Always continue. Once you've gained some more skills, start investing directly in some companies by buying stocks. Choose a few high-quality companies and study them. Make smart investments based on your studies. We'll recommend you a good book to learn more about these investments. Rule Number 1 by Phil Town. Make sure you get that book, read it, and apply everything you learn. Real estate still remains one of the most profitable investment portfolios. You've surely heard about it. So, once you've gathered enough wealth from investing in stocks, you can branch out into real estate that provides you stable cash flow. It's always important to diversify your investments. Do not put all of your eggs in one basket. That's the way to get the best outcome from the investment market. Diversify, diversify, diversify. Those are a few of our starter tips. We hope you can try them and begin generating some extra wealth for yourself. That said, the investment market is a risky one and is not for the faint-hearted. So chin up and face it with courage. Be greedy when others are fearful. Make sure you have an opportunity to buy assets when prices drop and stay calm when others are in fear. That's it for today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to this channel for more of this. Bye.